You're scared of him, aren't you? Look at this. Who's that? Who's that? Is that a shadow? Is that a shadow? Is it?
One big happy family.
Huh? It's like having kids again, isn't it? That's what it is. Oh.
To lay down with a pony like that, she absolutely trusts you implicitly.
She want to lay down first, didn't she? I just lay down with her just to see what happens.
Most ponies will just like stand up the minute you approach because they feel a little bit vulnerable.
Alright, you gotta go home.
Oh, she's going to get up. Watch yourself. Oh no, she's having an itch. Ah, big itch.
You gonna get up? You're alright.
No, she's tired. You're staying here, Lollipop, away from all the fireworks.
I'll scratch your ass. Scratch your ass. I'll scratch your bum.
She's loving that.
Oh.
Oh.
There's always the first, isn't it?
Shadows on your back. This is a madhouse, isn't it?
You got lollipops? Hello, Shadow. Popping your head there. It is warm in here though, isn't it? You could...
It's so warm in here. It's beautiful,
It's
yeah.
a cold night as well, and it's so warm in here.
It's freezing out there. Oh, he's all comfy, look.
It's just...
That's a big peachy bum. Hey, lollipopples. Gosh, she's not bothered, is she, really?
Sorry, Shags. You move. Gonna roll over. Oh, yeah? Give me kisses. Look. Look, I'm not you, look. I'm
Just ask her for kisses and she'll kiss you.
Kisses.
Kisses.
Kisses. Lollies. Take a kiss. You go kiss. What do you want? You want kisses as well, do you? Kisses. I've got a cut on my shoulder now. This is just mad.
I think she's just tired, Ian.
She's lucky, isn't she? Tired. You're telling me you're tired, aren't you? Right? You can feel it from, you know when you hold her like that?
She looks a little bit perturbed with the fireworks outside. What do you think?
She could be, yeah. Oh, she's closed now. She's just about to close her eyes.
It's usually so quiet up here, isn't it, really?
Yeah. Oh, she's closed her eyes, Julie.
Probably just tired. I hope she's just tired.
Tired eyes.
Bless you, Lollipop.